Okay, all right, we got a 7,500 watt Hanzi. Try to zoom in and show you the tag. $7,500 watt, 60 cycles, 285 kilograms, which is almost 500 and something pounds of solid Chinese steel. 2-cylinder diesel. Over here, I'll show you just installed a new, this is off of a Yanmar diesel. It's almost an exact copy of the old one. I installed new fuel lines, new oil, fresh water, and change the oil. Now this unit was my buddy's unit, still is. I'm selling it for him. It's new old stock. I bought a bunch of these. I bought like 6 or so of these right before Y2K, and I sold them all off. This was my buddy's. I sold to him, and I've been storing it for 15 years. No, about 12 years. He had it installed in his house for a while. Anyway, you could see the generator portion, 7,500 watts. Twin belts, electric start. I'm going to start this up in a minute. So it's been sitting in my garage for 12 years. Before that, it probably had 5 hours on it. I had it up on the bench. I got it running easy. It turned over, started instantly after I put in fresh fuel, changed the fuel filter. Started up like it was starting and running yesterday. He's like an electrician dude, so he put on this on-off power switch attached to the generator head with a lead coming off, going to your 230 volt single phase. Now he had it back feeding his house, so it's set up for 230 single phase. I can't hook it up to a load right now, but I'll show you the voltmeter, puts out electric. I'll show you the readout on the end of the receptacle there that puts out good power. Runs like a dream. No smoke after you start it up. Like I said, it's essentially new old stock. It can't have more than 10 hours on it, if 10 hours. All right, I'm gonna have to put you up. I'll stop you and I'll come back, and I'll get you up on the tripod while I hook up the while I fire it up.